In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a showcase on Vimeo. A showcase on Vimeo is a clean, customizable way to present a collection of your videos in one place, perfect for sharing a portfolio, a campaign, or a themed playlist with clients and collaborators. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can get from idea to a working showcase in just a minute. First, open your web browser and head over to Vimeo's website. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your dashboard. If you have multiple accounts, double-check you're on the right one to ensure your videos and settings are exactly where you expect them. If you're on a smaller screen or using a different browser, the layout may look slightly different, but the navigation we need is the same. Once you're signed in, look to the left side of your dashboard for the main toolbar. This vertical menu is where Vimeo groups your management tools. Find and click on Showcases. If you don't immediately see the sidebar, try expanding the menu with the icon at the top left, or switch to a larger window so the navigation is visible. Clicking Showcases takes you to the area where all of your showcases live, including any you've already made and anything new you're about to create. Here, you'll see a clearly labeled button to start fresh. Click New Showcase. That's the key action that opens up a blank showcase space for you. From this point on, you're in the creation environment. You can begin shaping your showcase, bringing together the videos you want to feature, and getting it ready to share. The interface is designed to be straightforward, so the essentials you need are right in front of you. And that's it. Once you've clicked New Showcase, you're ready to start building. If at any point you don't see the Showcases option or the button to create a new one, make sure you're signed in, refresh the page, or try another desktop browser. Interface labels can occasionally vary, but the workflow is the same. Go to Vimeo, open Showcases, and create a new one. To recap, the path is simple. Sign into Vimeo, open the Showcases section from the left toolbar, and click New Showcase. You now have a dedicated space ready to organize and present your videos in a professional way. With that foundation set, you're well on your way to showcasing your work clearly and confidently.